0 to 30K is what I've been able to take this product to in just 7 days, utilizing only TikTok ads and a couple of strategies that I'm fully going to be breaking down in this video. I'm going to be going more in depth of what this product is, how my day one results looked, and how you can totally replicate what I just did in your own dropshipping store so you can see results just like I was able to as well. I'm also going to be giving every single person who watches till the end of this video a free product that I am currently selling right now that you can take from me and implement into your own dropshipping stores as well. This video is going to be so value packed, so let's get right into it. Man, I'm excited for this video with you guys. What's up? This is another video on my YouTube channel. Whether this is your first time or you're watching again, welcome. This is a video that I've been looking forward to doing, and this happened all during Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend. This is going to be a fully in-depth, transparent case study slash kind of going through what I was able to do during Black Friday weekend on just one of my stores. And so, without further ado, you can see the Shopify dashboard right here. You can see going for exactly 1 week of November 20th to November 27th, we've done around 28K in USD sales. I'll hit a refresh check for you guys real quick to prove that it's real as always. And there we go, 28K from November 20th to November 27th. What I wanna go over with you guys is how my day one results looked for this product. I remember when I was first starting out, I was really confused on how my day one product test should look. And when utilizing a method like TikTok ads, you should be able to see good results day one. It's crucial to make sure that you see something to continue to go ahead and keep on running your product. A lot of times I see a lot of beginners and they leave ads on to spend a couple $100s even if their metrics are horrible, and I simply just tell them that's not the case. With TikTok ad, you should be able to see results pretty early on, whether it's a lot of add to carts, a lot of reach checkouts, a lot of conversions, or something that will tell you to keep on testing the product. With that being said, if we come over to my product test right here, we can see that within just the first couple of days, I was able to scale into 1K days, and the store is doing amazing. Day one was actually here on the 15th. You can see Shopify is being super inaccurate and not tracking, but we got a total of 3 sales day one. 3 sales day one with a $50 CBO, which I'm gonna be going on later in this video of what my CBO strategy is, but 3 sales to bring me a profit of around $10 day one. With any profitable results that I see on my product day one, that gives me enough validation to keep on going and testing the product. You can see just within the second half of the week here, when I first tested this product, we were already able to hit a total of 51 orders and $2,103.06 in total revenue, which was absolutely amazing. I'm also going to be going over what my scaling method that I used for this exact store was, so you can then replicate that on your dropshipping stores as well. Moving over to the actual week of Black Friday, we can see from the 19th to the 25th, we ended up doing a majority of the revenue, around $25,815.19. And moving on to present day, from the 26th to the 28th at the time of filming this video, we can see we've done a total of $3,913.64. I genuinely believe right now here in Q4, especially in November and the upcoming December, is the best time to be testing products if you have not yet found a winner for dropshipping. It is so incredibly easy to be finding winning products right now. It is absolutely insane. I have this store up right now, and it's a niche store with the product that I showed you. This one right here. Put the edit right here. This product right here. I essentially have also created a brand around the product as well. So I not only made my store revolving around this product, but also a whole bunch of other products which still are working, which is why I also want you to stick around, because I'm going to be giving away one of those products at the end of this video. So stick around. Now I want to go a little more in depth with you guys about how I found this product and actually what it is. Let's take a look at the screen over here, and what I was actually able to take from $0 to $30,000 in just 7 days was this product right here. This luxury piece of jewelry that also is accompanied by a wonderful note that dads will gift to their daughters. It's a very specific niched product, but is a wonderful product to sell, especially now in the gifting season. You can obviously assume how well this was doing, especially during Black Friday weekend when everyone is doing their holiday shopping. This product was exactly what I look for. So you can see here on AliExpress, I found it. It goes for around $13. I was able to source it with my private supplier that I give all of my students for only around $5. This was my main competitor as well. They were selling their product for around $60. I was actually able to get my product to only around $40 to be sold to my customers. I not only had amazing margins, but I was able to also outbid my other competitors as well. And so how I actually went about finding this product was just a simple method that I keep on telling you guys that I use time and time again, which is just using any of these spy tools, whether it's PPS, my Nia, or anything like that. Honestly, in my opinion, one's really not better than the other. You can really just use any of these spy tools. They all pretty much all have the same products, but my favorite is just PP ads. I'll come on PP ads and I won't add a bunch of filters here. I won't do this and that. All I will simply do for my product search is just Shopify, United States, 24 hours, and I will just click a random date. And so what I look for when I actually do my product research is, does it solve a problem or an insecurity? That is my first criteria. And if it doesn't do any of that, does it show some sort of affection or love, which meets my exact criteria for the product I just sold? And then thirdly, is it a product that I know does well year round, or is it something new to the market? And those are my three criteria that I look for in every single product that I sell. If it doesn't meet at least two of those, then I do not sell it. And so how I simply found this product was, before Black Friday, I came onto PP ads, put exactly these filters, and just looked at each and every individual product and see if it met my criteria. If it did, I saved it into my Google Drive for later. And with the process of elimination, I went back into my folder and I found that this jewelry piece was the best thing to sell. And just from it fitting my criteria, you saw the results that we were able to get day one. It did amazing, and it's an amazing piece of jewelry that dads can gift to their daughters during this holiday season. It's a great way to really be able to show somebody that you care about them, that you love them, and it's a great gift that dads who scroll on TikTok, when they see my ad, they'll be like, oh, you know what? I'll buy that for my daughter. So that is a little more of an in-depth look to how I found my product, as well as how I actually was able to source it. Before I go into the products that you can actually replicate yourself and put on your dropshipping store today to see results, I also want to go over apps that I use and I would totally recommend to you as well to use, and what helped me to be able to reach the $30,000 mark for my store. First of all, it being Upcart. This Upcart app is literally my bread and butter. I love this app. I'm obsessed with it. And what it is it's just a cart upsell app where you can customize your own cart drawer that comes to the side whenever a customer adds to cart. It's gonna allow you to customize as colors, add themes, add products. That's just gonna allow it so your store looks so much more seamless, as well as upsells are so much easier to add on that app as well. You can come here and just download it on the Shopify store and simply just add it into your store and implement it straight away. This video isn't sponsored by it, but it's just one of my favorites. My next app is good old Klaviyo. You can see from the $30,000 in revenue that I was able to do, 5.15% of it was attributed to only Klaviyo flows. Now, emails are so important when it comes to your Shopify store. I've built out my own team and, I'm able to have emails on my store whenever I want, but there's so many ways that you can do emails, whether it's hiring an agency, finding freelancers, or just simply doing it yourself. All very valid ways to be able to actually just use email marketing to just bring in that much more extra revenue, whether it's abandoned checkouts, sending out campaigns, or just creating other welcome flows as well for your store. It's a great way to just get some extra revenue, and this cannot be slept on. With that being said, I don't know why this is in GBP. This is a fully USD store, and I think it's just because other of my past stores are also in GBP, but you can see $30,000 is USD from what I also showed you into the Shopify dashboard. 1.15 isn't the craziest amount, and I want you to know that email flows can be so much more rinsed when it comes to actual email marketing. And so for this store in specific, I'm just getting started when it comes to my email flows. Still building out a really big email list and just continuing to send out campaigns almost every other day. So we're going to continue to be able to rake in money for this Klaviyo flow and continue to make some extra profit. Last minute things I just want to go over when it comes to be able to hit numbers like this is, number one, when you find a product that works on TikTok, make sure to double down. A lot of people will get complacent when they find a winning product on TikTok and simply just give up. When you find a winner on TikTok, you have to push out a lot of content. So when I find a product that works, within the first week, I'm already testing 40 to 50 creatives in that single week. It's crucial to be able to have lots of content being pushed out for your product so your campaigns and all your old creatives don't just die one day. My second thing when it comes to my testing structure, just for time purposes, I'm not going to fully go over it inside of this video, but I've made past videos on it, and if you want a PDF version of what my testing strat is that I still use to this day, just join my Discord server. It's going to be the link in the description. Look at the free resources that we have and just download the PDF for my testing strat. I hope you guys have appreciated this video so far. I've absolutely released so much sauce in this video. I hope if you're watching this has helped you get a better understanding of what winning products are and how to scale them. That was my main goal when it comes to this video, and I hope that's been able to help you. With that being said, I also have just released something called Value University, which I now want to introduce to you. Value University is a program that I've made where I've hired myself as well as other people, coaches of mine, to come along and help teach you. So with that being said, if you're interested in not a one-on-one mentorship, but a one-on-3 mentorship where you're not only getting me, a community, but also 2 other coaches by your side, you can click on the first link in the description down below and book a call to see if you're a good fit for Value University. Now, with that being said, I want to get into the last thing I had planned for this video, which is the products. I saw this product and I was like, oh my gosh, this is a really good one. It's a custom photo you can add. It's customized, it looks good, it's high quality, and it just looks amazing. Margins on this are fairly good. You can get it customized and sourced with pretty much any supplier out there. If you need a good supplier, you can join my Discord server and open up a ticket, as well as all my university students get my supplier that I use. So this is product number 1, a photo custom engraved wallet. It just looks amazing, and it shows some sort of affection or love, which also meets my criteria. Product number 2 are these cozy fleeced Mary slides. So essentially this is just a really gimmicky TikTok product. You're gonna see a lot of products like these on TikTok, and this is just simply just because we're in quarter 4 and people love buying Christmas and holiday themed things. This doesn't really meet my criteria to the fullest, but you can easily angle this as a gift product to gift somebody, gift a girlfriend, and so that shows some sort of affection or love. Now, when it comes to our third and final product, this is a product that is my favorite on the list and is currently popping off right now on TikTok. If you've been on any of these spy tools or even been scrolling on your feed, you should see a lot of people talking about this product, as well as a lot of UGC coming out for it right now. And so what this is the oversized essential hoodie. The brand Abercrombie & Fitch came out with this hoodie right here, and so this has been sold out. And so what people on TikTok and us dropshippers did is we gave people the dupe for cheaper, and this solves a ginormous problem which will always do well, which is price and time. So it's 2 really big ones that is just bound to do well. When you're able to save somebody price by giving them the same product for cheaper, as well as time, because the Abercrombie & Fitch one is always sold out, so you give them this for pretty much cheaper and now, instead of having to wait for when it restocks. This is absolutely amazing. So this is the 3 products that I am currently selling right now, and I recommend that you take those from me and start selling them for yourself as well. With that being said, that's all I had for this video. If you really did enjoy this, click subscribe, click that like button, and leave a comment. I'm gonna be responding to every single one of you guys' comments for the next 24 hours, so ask me anything. And if you're also interested in Value University and being able to be helped walk through into finding your first winning product, or not even just your first, but another winning product that you're able to scale to 5 to 6 figures a month, then book that call with me in the first link in the description. That's all I had.